for Pin Media.
One, we are well aware that most of the councillors always are off duty, more so at the district. It's these DEC members and executive that is mandated deliberating on our behalf. But to a dismay, even as of now, I was just surprised to find a member of the council bringing a request to adopt the order paper with amendment. This was the mandate of the secretary, but he is not around. Where will these people help the council? When will they help the council? We have already seen in our committee sittings, these DEC members, most of them, like they have outlined them, they are off, and they are the people who are mandated to give us the information. So you find that we, the committee members, are coming up with half-baked reports. We are coming up with reports full of gaps because these people are not always on duty. So, Right Honourable Speaker, it's my prayer therefore that these councillors, the particular DEC members, Honourable Kayunga Ivan and Honourable Kamanda Fad, as this council, in section 98, as said by the Honourable Member, we have the mandate to pass a resolution, not even beyond today, to censor these people, because our name is tarnished. When you reach outside, every ward is shouting the same name, that the district councillors are thieves. I was surprised one day going out from this side. I found a border person outside telling me, you're from collecting. Now I ask myself, am I a tax collector? So, Right Honourable Speaker, on addition, these members have always been off several times, like it has been laid here. On 22nd, the council that sat on 23rd December 2022, Honourable Kamanda was off, and he was the secretary already. 19th March 2023, Honourable Kamanda was off, and he's handling a very sensitive department. 7th of September 2023, Honourable Kamanda was off with no genuine reason, but deliberately deciding not to attend. On 26th October 2023, Honourable Kamanda was off. 3rd February 2024, Honourable Kamanda Fad was off. 28th March 2024, the same person was off. Even 5th July, as we were in fact passing the budget, the person was off. So it's my prayer therefore that this Honourable Council retains the name Honourable. The name Honourable means a lot. So it's my prayer that we come out, we stand on our feet regardless of our political affiliations. I'm not voting for any position on your deck, and I don't want it. But we want to come out clearly and we send a signal to the people we are representing, the people we are serving, that we are not thieves, we are not targeting money. Honourable Speaker, as I wind up, in 2022, October, I happened to be at Suka. We had one of the, it was some party, not party, but it was an occasion organized by Honourable Kamlega. I attended it in my submission. I said Kayunga district has become a market where all the jobs are being sold. And in particular, I talked about two people that I can mention again. I talked about the chairperson of LC5 together with the former cow, Mr. Batambuze Abdu. And they responded to me by writing a letter intentionally to show me who told them the truth. And now the worlds are speaking the same thing I talked about in 2022. So the only way we can retain our duty as a council is by deciding to censor these people, not beyond today. I beg to submit. And I want all honourable members, please come out, regardless of your tribe, regardless of your affiliation, regardless of your party. This concerns Kayunga district. It doesn't concern me and you only. Thank you so much.
nekituleetera obuzibu nga bahonorable councillors nti tetukyalina buyambi buli information gye twagala okufuna tugibuuze bannaffe tebabeerawo awo nno nga tubadde tukyali awo honorable speaker ate ne tufunayo ekizibu ekirala honorable speaker okuyita mu ntebera njagala okutegeeza nti tokyalina kanso wabula kanso gy'olina yababbi gye tutambulirayo yonna ba honorable ministers bakozesezza bubi ofiisi yaabwe basecretaries ne batandika okubba abantu betwajja okusaavinga abalala ne basibidde mu prison abalala basibidde mu makomera naye nga honorable speaker ebweru batugatta ffenna nti tuli babbi honorable speaker jjukira bwe twali tulayira twakwata ekitabo ekitukuvu nze nakwata ku luhanga ne ŋŋamba nti ŋŋenda kusaavinga constitution ye local government act ne ŋŋamba nti ŋŋenda kuweereza abannonda n'obwesimbu naye bwe mpulira nga kati saawa zino nzivoola mu bantu naye ng'abantu abatuvoolesa we bali waneena ate nga tutudde honorable speaker tugenda kuddayo tunoonya buli tugenda bunoonyawa honorable speaker bwe nzira mu tteeka kanso njagala mbategeeze nti tulina obuyinza nga kanso ku bantu bano bw'ogenda mu rule of procedures section 98 clause 1 egamba nti the council may pass a resolution to remove the chairperson, the speaker, the deputy speaker, or to pass a vote consensus against the secretary. Era mu rule 99 ne kugamba nti wabeerawo ensonga ezireetera abantu abo okubaleetako embeera eno esooka abuse the office, eyokubiri corruption, eyokusatu incompetence, eyokuna misconduct or misbehavior n'ebirala naye nga ndaba bwe tubyogera wano mu mateeka agatutwala babusinga office already bakola corruption nga bali enguzi ku bantu baffe betukulembera era obujulizi bwennina nsaba nkusomereko wano speaker egamba nti Kayunga police station complaint Mukwaya Swahili reference number 42/15 nga 224 case obtained money by forest pretense suspect Kayumba Ivan. Hakati bwe tuba tuyimiridde mu bujulizi obumu n'abalala basibiddwa tukyalina bundi zaabwe lwakuba nti zonna tubadde tetusobola kuzikuŋŋaanya kuzimalayo budde buno. Speaker nga mpita mu ntebeyo ne ba honorable councillor bwe buyinza bwe tulina mu bulize ke kaseera tulage abantu abaatulonda nti ffenna tetwajja kubba tulage abantu abaatulonda nti kyetwalayira kyetulina okuyimirirako era nsaba nga mpita mu ntebeyo speaker otukkirize tuleete sensa motion abantu bano basooke baddeko ebbali oba babumuzibwe tufune abantu abalimu ku nsabe banaawe ekitiibwa. I beg to see.
We all know what is happening. And incidentally, it is not only happening on Honorable Fahad and Honorable Kayemba. If we are to bring a litmus paper here, you might find every litmus paper turning the color on almost all of us here. So there is a problem. But the problem that I have realized from the Honorable Member, Mama addressing here now, is not Honorable Fahad, is not Honorable Kayemba, but it is the honor of this Honorable Council. Here now we are looking at the honor. This is why I'm requesting you kindly, Honorable Speaker. The law, the guidances are there. We have it all. But in respect of honor of this Honorable Council, let the judgment be collective. We are not pinning our brothers. Like I said, Muliro, all these people here will die. I am telling you, very few will survive if they are there anyway. But it is too much now. Buli woyita tetukyalina mpeke yakatibwa naaka. N'abamu abadde bagezezaako kakuma, it is gone. I think we need to make a loud noise to the world out there in protection of this honorable council. There is what they call killing an elephant. You might love your elephant so much, but if it is worth being killed to save the rest, we have the honor. And for this case, through you, I am requesting that as we are closing out this, let Honorable Chairperson LC5 speak on that issue and we close it.
Era biriyo ebyo bisigadde ebiri mu kooti gye biri. Ne Honorable Namata akyogedde loud and clear. Tulina house etutegeddwa okuba nga tuprotectinga. Either ku bombi oba omu oba kuba nga tekuliiko n'omu. It's possible. N'olwekyo njagala kwegayirira mukwano gwange Mwami Muwonge akole ekyetaagisa for the first time. Oluusi lwentuuka statement zino n'azitwala for granted.
The magistrate asked him, Honorable Kayunga, I've read for you again today. Have you got it well today? He said, yes, I've got it well. What do you say? He said, no, I've never committed that offense. And I was given a court bail. So that means the matter is still being handled by court. It has not yet reached the conclusion to call Honorable Kayunga a thief. So my humble request is that I know many people are in pain, but let's give chance to court, prosecution to continue with Honorable Kayunga. Thank you very much.